President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, upon assuming office, must without delay appoint not more than 2 vice presidents who hold the office at his or her pleasure. And whereas the President has duly appointed you, Constantino Gouveia Dominic Nikazino Chiwenga, as the Vice President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, in terms of paragraph 14, subparagraph 2 of the 6th schedule of the Constitution. And whereas, in terms of section 94, subsection 1 of the Constitution, before assuming office, a president, a vice president must take before the Chief Justice or the next most senior judge available the oath of Vice President in the form set out in the 3rd schedule. Now, therefore, I, Luke Malava, Chief Justice of the Republic of Zimbabwe, do call upon you, Constantino Gouveia Dominic Nikazino Chiwenga, to take the oath